How often should I stretch? That's the question we're answering today. Imagine this. You walk into the dentist.
How often should you do a stretching routine?
Question of the alpha motion, how often should I stretch?
Natural looking foot to be shaped like many of us feel like this. Because shoes that are way too narrow and over time.
Because if that joint is inflamed, the skin can get very, very hot. Some people say powder much.
This diet was voted the best diet of 2023 by the US World News Report. This question asks a lot. How much water should I drink a day? Our body moves from approximately 60% total body water.
All right, let's talk about information overload. All right, peace. This is part 5, home workout. You beginning your fitness journey or you back from a really long hiatus. If you're well into this journey, this is probably not gonna apply to you. I've noticed with people who are beginning or maybe took a very long hiatus, information overload. You got too much coming to you all at once. Keep it simple. Part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. I told you to keep it simple. I'm gonna keep telling you to keep it simple. Food, finish the plate. Food, finish your plate. Food, finish your plate. Like my mom said, she always says this. Your eyes are bigger than your stomach, meaning you get too much food, you can't finish. Food is information. So the fitness world has a lot. The fitness universe is a lot. Some people advocate kettlebell, dumbbell only, or yoga only, or Pilates only, or you got powerlifters, weightlifters, bodybuilders. They're crossover athletes, CrossFit. I mean, there's so many things. I'm not saying that, you shouldn't pay attention to the nuances, but when you're beginning or you back from a long hiatus, it's just not conducive to where you are. That's too much for you to handle. All you need is strength training, cardio, high protein diet, proper sleep, manage your stress. Boom. Once you create a discipline, then start looking into joint health, what supplements you should be taking. Go slow. Go slow. Get a new plate. Finish your food. Get a new plate. A little bit at a time. Small steps. Think big, but take small steps. Don't do too much at once. Again, it's going to discourage you. There was no demonstration for part 5. I just wanted to talk to y'all about information overload. Just be careful what's coming down your timeline. Again, it can knock you off your path. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Peace.